Hello honeycrunchers and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today, I'll be reviewing this stamping plate which is called Flower Yarn S002 by BornPrettyStore. Before trying out this stamping plate, here's my base color for today. Now, let's try this pattern. I'm using regular nail polish for all of my stamping. After stamping them to all of my nails and doing the cleanup, they kind of remind me of waffles. Well, moving to the next designs, I'll be using white for the butterfly first. As you can see, it's a bit sheer, so I'm stamping another layer for opacity. Then after that, select the color you wanted, then stamp it onto the white butterfly. The white butterfly will make your newly stamped butterfly's color pop. Then I added another layer of it. Now let's use this one for the outline of the butterfly. Look at how detailed this turned out. Now, let's stamp it. Now, I'm gonna be doing more of the technique called layered stamping. And now here are my nails. Now let's apply top coat. And there you have it. It has 3 whole pattern designs. It has that background color and the outline design for some of its images. As you can see, it's very well etched. I love the combination of the designs on this stamping plate. If you love today's review / layered stamping nail art tutorial, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos of me in the future, make sure to subscribe and also share this video to your awesome friends. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.